Are you sad because you can't get pregnant? I'm Addison, and here is your personal affirmation session to attract a miracle into your life. These famous quotes are 18 affirmations to heal the pain, restore your composure, and manifest powerful new dreams of a positive tomorrow. Breathe deeply and stay until quote number 1. It's one of my personal favorites. Ready? Let's go. Number 18. Hereafter, in a better world than this, I shall desire more love and knowledge of you. William Shakespeare, 1740. 17. In the night of death, hope sees a star, and listening love can hear the rustle of a wing. Robert Greene Ingersoll. 16. Happiness is only real when shared. Christopher McCandless. It's the good girls who keep diaries, the bad girls never have the time. Tallulah Bankhead. The need to write comes from the need to make sense of one's life and discover one's usefulness. John Cheever. Man must search for what is right, and let happiness come on its own. Johann Pestalozzi. Old age is just a record of one's whole life. Muhammad Ali. Practice is everything. Periander. The cautious seldom err. Confucius. A person reveals his character by nothing so clearly as the joke he resents. Georg Christoph Lichtenberg. Anger and jealousy can no more bear to lose sight of their objects than love. George Eliot. Conform, and be dull. J. Frank Dobie. It is only when men begin to worship that they begin to grow. Calvin Coolidge. Diligence is the mother of good luck. Anon. It's been a long road back to health and fitness for me. I am just glad to have been given the opportunity to do what I love most. Jonah Lomu. He that lies down with dogs shall rise up with fleas. Benjamin Franklin. The mark of a good action is that it appears inevitable in retrospect. Robert Louis Stevenson. We have one life, soon it will be past. What we do for God is all that will last. Muhammad Ali. I'm just curious, do you like the law of attraction? We're giving away copies of our Dream Life Manifestation program to new followers as a thank you. If I gave you the link, would you check the program out? Be sure to check out the first link in the description. If you would tap the like button, it would make my day. Which affirmation was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to this amazing playlist of my Law of Attraction secrets, and I'll see you in the next session. Have an amazing day.